Hi children, before class I explained about the estimating product, rounding of the hundreds I explained. Now this class I will explain about the estimating product and rounding of the thousands. Clearly we have to multiply two numbers, we will get the answer. That should be, we will say, is a product. Whatever we got the product, that product we have to rounding of the nearest thousands. Same way before class I explained about the rounding of the tens, I explained rounding of the hundreds, I explained. Now this session I explain about the nearest thousand. Suppose, for example, 217 into 15. 217 into 15. This is the 217 is a multiplicand. 15 is a multiplier. See here we have here 217 into 15. Now we have to go the multiplication. These two numbers, see here we need here 195 table, then we will find the first 5 table. Ones place we will start 5 7 35. 35 means what? It will be is a 2-digit numbers. In the 2-digit numbers, then ones place we have to write down, then distance place we have to carry forward to the before number. Tens place we got here 3. This 3 is carry forward to the before number. Next see here 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 is a 8. Okay, carry should be compulsory. Always we have to add 5 to the 10. 1 place over means we have to write here 1 7 just 7. It's over 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2. It will be see here 5 8 7 plus it will be 15. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we got his product is a 3,255 we got. See, 3,255 we got. How to do the product? How to? So what is asking? We have to rounding up the nearest thousands. How much we got here? 3,255. We have to write the nearest thousand. This I am rubbing children because we have to represent the numbers on number line. See here. See 1000. 1000 is having 3 digits. 3 zeros. Sorry, 1000 is having 4-digit number. In that 4-digit, in 3 are having zeros. These instead of last whatever we got the product, okay, in that product we got here 4-digit number only. Instead of last 3-digit numbers, we will keep then these 3 zeros. Means what? It will be 255. Instead of 255, we will give it will be 3000, then 3100, 3200, 3300, 3400, 3500, 3600, 3700, 3800, 3900. 900 means it will be become a 4000. See children, count it here 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Middle number it will be is a 3500. See 3255, 3200, 3210, 3210, 220, 30, 40, 50, 55. Here 3255. See children, from the marking of the line, it will be only one number is there. 1 2 numbers are there. From the 3000. See 4000, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. 7 numbers. Means what? This is 2 numbers, this is 7 numbers. Which is the nearer? 2 numbers only here nearer. We have to, it will be 3000 is a nearest 10 to the 3225. We have to write, see here. See, always you have to see this is the middle number. Compare it. If middle number right side it will be goes, that is the nearest number. Left side it will be go. This is the nearest 1000. See what we have to write. 3000 is a. We have to write 3255. Nearest 1000 is. Nearest 1000 is 3000 rupees. See children, whatever we are comparing last 3 digits, we are comparing last 3 digits. These 3 digits below 500 means it will be goes to right side. Above 500 means we have to go to left side. We have right. Above 500 means right side. Below 500 means left side. We have. This is the process estimating the product and we have to write the nearest 1000. One more sum I will explain about the same process. See now one more example. 538 into 11. Second one 538 into 11. We have to take it here 538. You can multiply. See here 1 5 is 8, 1 3 is 3, 1 5 is 5. Same way 1 8 is 8, 1 3 is 3, 1 5 is 5. See high 11. 995 5918 we got the product how much 5918. Now we have to write the nearest 1000. This 1000 we can make it, then we can do this ones. See instead of last 3 digits what I told, these zeros we can write. First it will be here 5000, 5100, 5200, 5300, 5400, 5500, 5600, 5700, 5800, 5900. It will be 6000. Okay, which is I told? This is the middle number. We got here middle number means last 3 digit 918. 5918. Why tell the 910, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 100 will get 5990 means you will get here. You have to write here 5918. See 5918. Seeing right side is it will be more. Then seeing right side it will be nearest. Then 6000 we will round up. Then what is the nearest 1000? 5918. Nearest 1000 is 6000 we have to. This is the process we have to do the estimating, product estimating and nearest to 1000. Okay, thank you children.